Hello Healthies, welcome back to Healthy Living Explains. Today, we're diving into some fantastic home remedies for those annoying problems that summer can bring. So, grab a cool drink, sit back, and let's jump right into it. 1. Sunburns. We've all been there, right? A beautiful day at the beach can turn into a painful night if we forget our sunblock. But fret not, vinegar is here to save the day. Soak a few sheets of paper towels in white vinegar and apply them to the burned areas. Leave them on until the towels are dry. The acetic acid in vinegar can help ease sunburn pain, itching, and inflammation. 2. Heat rash. Baking soda, the wonder powder, can come to your rescue. Just add a few tablespoons of it to your bathwater and soak away the irritation. You can also apply it directly to the rash site to absorb moisture and sweat, reducing itching and helping you feel more comfortable while your skin heals. 3. Blisters. Keep the blister clean with soap and water, then apply some pure aloe vera gel. Aloe vera helps in speeding up the healing process, but make sure it's the pure gel of the plant, as processed products might contain drying ingredients like alcohol. 4. Swimmer's ear. For this one, our star remedy is garlic. Its potent antibacterial properties can help fight the infection caused by trapped water in your ears. You can buy garlic oil or make your own. Apply a few drops of garlic oil to the affected ear and feel the relief. 5. Itchy insect bites. No more scratching. A couple of drops of peppermint oil can bring relief. The cooling effect of the oil increases circulation to the bite, helping it heal faster. 6. Cuts and scrapes. If you've got a little cut or scrape, honey can be your friend. It has antibacterial properties and can speed up wound healing. Dab a little honey on the wound, cover it with a bandage, and let nature do its thing. 7. Fried hair. Say hello to our savior, the mighty avocado. Mix a ripe, peeled avocado with a teaspoon of wheat germ oil and a teaspoon of jojoba oil. Apply the mixture to your hair. Wait for about 15 to 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Your hair will thank you. 8. Splinters. Got a stubborn splinter? Don't worry, adhesive tape can help. Cover the splinter with the tape, leave it for about 3 days. Then pull off the tape. The splinter should come out with it. 9. Hair discoloration. Here's a trick to restore your hair color after a swim in a chlorinated pool. Just dissolve 6 to 8 aspirins in a glass of warm water, apply to your hair, and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. 10. Athlete's foot. Treating athlete's foot could be as simple as using mouthwash. A cotton ball soaked in sugarless antiseptic mouthwash applied to the affected area can bring relief, but remember, it might sting a bit. 11. Wasp sting. Ease the pain of a wasp sting with a paste made of meat tenderizer and water. The enzymes in the meat tenderizer will break down the venom proteins, providing relief. 12. Poison ivy. For this itchy problem, the remedy is good old oatmeal. Make a bath soak with fine ground oatmeal to soothe the irritation caused by poison ivy. 13. Dog ticks. Ticks dislike rubbing alcohol. Dab the tick with rubbing alcohol to make it loosen. And there you have it, folks. 13 fantastic, natural, and effective home remedies for tackling the most common summer annoyances. These remedies are based on extensive knowledge and personal experience, which makes them a great first line of defense against these common summer issues. However, remember that while these remedies are handy, it's always important to take preventive measures first. Keep in mind, if any of these issues persist, or if you are in severe discomfort, you should always consult with a healthcare professional. Home remedies are wonderful tools, but they're not a substitute for professional medical advice when it's needed. We hope these remedies will make your summer more comfortable, enjoyable, and problem-free. Stay safe, healthy, and enjoy your summer to the fullest. Don't forget to hydrate and apply sunscreen. Remember, here at Healthy Living Explains, we're all about helping you make the most of your health and wellness journey in every season. If you found these remedies helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful health tips and remedies. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.